Hi guys, friends and everyone. I'm Ankim Kath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more updated videos. I'm posting new videos every week, so stay tuned. Thank you so much. First time kong mag-voice over and I'm hoping it will work well. Pagpasensyahan nyo na rin po yung boses ko. Boses palaka na parang naipit. Sorry. Sa totoo lang, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong kalaking fish. And I was so amazed sa laki nito. Alam mo yung feeling na excited ka to do the things, kung paano mo ito uumpisahan. So, here's my tips. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako at i-chop-chop na natin itong large fish ng mga amo ko. Today's new content, I am going to share with you guys a huge fish post on how to prepare and cut large fish with knife at home. In this case, a step-by-step tutorial that you can use the tips and techniques. This is how I cut large fish. So, please stay with me until the end. To begin, you need a sharp knife. Place your knife to the body of the fish and make a cut stopping at the backbone. You will need a firm hit at the back of your knife with wooden stick or any other object. Once you get through the backbone, continue slicing with knife until the head is detached. Set aside and do not discard. Next, place your knife according to the fish and slice again down the spine to make fish steak. Then continue slicing down to the cutting board to free the first fish steak. Continue with this process until you reach the end part or tail. As you can see, I'm having a hard time cutting the fish backbone. And the thing is, I cannot find my spare big knife since it was really tough. So I decided to use scissors. I'm hoping this can help. So I started in the tail, trying to cut it first, and then finally, it was succeed. Now I have my first slice fish steak. Just continue cutting until you finish the whole fish. And then finally, I'm done. This is how it looks like. Sliced fish steak. My own version in cutting large fish at home. After done cutting, wrap the fish steak individually with cling wrap and store in freezer. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again soon. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye! Have a blessed day everyone. Thank you so much.